Hello guys, welcome again to Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and right now we will have another video presentation, and this will be 101 trading tips. This will be primarily an English presentation with some Tagalog explanation about harmonic pattern. So in trading, we use harmonic patterns. So what are harmonic patterns? Harmonic patterns, guys, are chart pattern that form and help the traders to spot the price trend. We have a price movement, right? The price movement to predict the future market movement. They create geometric price pattern by using the Fibonacci numbers to identify the changes or the trend reversal of the price. So here we will also discuss about using the Fibonacci retracement. So I will now make share presentation. I will share now my presentation. Just hold on. Okay, so this is our presentation, our chart about harmonic pattern. So normally, as you can see, this will be the price movement. Okay, we have the bullish and the bearish one. And normally the price action that you can see in the harmonic pattern is like a letter M for the bullish one. As you can see here, we have here, we'll make it bigger. Okay, like the Gartley pattern. It's letter M. Okay, then goes up. Letter M, then goes up. Okay, letter M, then goes up. In the bearish side, it will be W. So guys, ito yung chart natin, pinaka-cheat sheet nito. Ito yung normally na nakikita nyo na movement of the price action. A letter M or W. Now, this cheat sheet have the price or what we call Fibonacci retracement guide to measure the point of each wave in the harmonic pattern. Okay, so there is a guide for this. So later on, we will discuss this Fibonacci retracement and how to use it in each side. So first of all, we have to identify the wave A, B, and C if it is valid. But in the early stage, as you can see here, okay, the price movement will have a similar movement like this one. So it's starting to form the letter M that I mentioned to you or the letter W. Okay? So iyan lang dapat ang magiging price movement, guys, ng ating price action. Ngayon, kailangan mong sukatin yan. We have to measure now starting from point X, this is the point X, to A, to identify if this is a possible valid harmonic pattern. Okay, so how we will do that? So as you can see, we have a lot of harmonic pattern. We have bat or shark, butterfly, Gartley. Okay, so what we will do is give you the foundation of most pattern on how we can measure it using Fibonacci retracement. So we will now move to our chart. Okay, so this is the chart that I prepared to you. So as I mentioned a while ago, we have a letter M for the bullish retracement. So in this video, this will be our example. So we will have right now, for example, this one is not the X, point A. So if you see the price is going up, like this one, there is a possibility of, and it goes down, there is a possibility of harmonic pattern. So how we will measure it? So this is a Gartley pattern. The next one is not actually a Gartley, the next sample from the BTC itself. But we will now look all the foundation on how to measure it. So first of all, you have to identify our point X and A. So where is the retracement of B? Okay, so to identify the retracement, if this will be a valid entry point for, as you can see, to identify in the early stage, we have to have a 0.618 in Fibonacci. In other pattern, it is 0.50, 0.786, or 0.382. So that is the guide for you. Okay. So I will now use the Fibonacci. I just have some changes in my Fibonacci, but this is the same. We can also use the default one. So we'll use the default one. Okay, the default. Okay. So this is the default Fibonacci. Okay. As you can see here, okay, it is in 0.618. So this is a valid Gartley Fibonacci. Again, how to draw that? Where did I point my Fibonacci? I will do that again for you. So now you have to measure from point X to point A. Okay. So from this one, okay, from this one up to this one. So the measurement is here, 6.618 of our default Fibonacci. So this is correct, guys. Okay. Now, we want to know the point C. Where will it go? Okay, or if it is valid, if there is already a price action of point C. How to know if it is valid? So you have to use the, I just move this, yeah. We will now use the point A, okay, point A to point B. Okay, so point A to point B. Okay, so I'll just change it now to my setting since this is okay, so point A to B. As you can see now, we have the 0.886. You can just copy or screenshot now my screen so you will know my Fibonacci setting. Okay, so this is my Fibonacci setting for the harmonic pattern. Okay, so from point A to B, so where did I point it? From A to B. As you can see, there is a retracement in 0.886. So this is still a valid one, okay? Because if we will go back to our chart, okay, B and C should have a retracement in 0.382 or in between to 0.886. So from here, 382 to C. Some are very strict with, especially in Gartley, that it should be only in 0.382 or 618. And probably there is other pattern that can be seen on that, similar of a harmonic pattern. That's why we have a chart from your side that can guide you about the pattern, okay? On how to retrace, how to check, and how to measure our wave in each pattern. Now, this is the scenario. Normally, we have now point C to D. And how to check? Normally, guys, some people are doing this. When they found out that this is valid on C, they will have a sell position when they already see forming like this one. Okay, the price action is going down already. They will check until where it go down. So there will be a sell position on that side. Some traders are doing that. So guys, normally, pagka nakita na nila na valid yung C, papasok sila sa sell kung naka-future sila. Pwede silang mag-sell position doon. So from here, titignan nila kung hanggang saan ang D. So, until where is the point D? So, we need to find the D. In our chart here that I mentioned, D is 12.2, 1.272 or 1.68 of PIV. So, point B and C. So, this is the point B and C. Okay? Point B to C. So from this one to this one. So again, point B to C, and this is our Fibonacci, 1.272 to 1.68. So it will be probably goes down on this area. Okay? So after getting, normally guys, like this one, no, if the BNC is 0.382, normally it will goes to 1.272. If the BNC is 0.886, from this one to this one is 0.886, normally it will goes up to 1.618 FIB of point B and C. So ayan lang yung measurement guys, ano. I hope hindi kayo malito. You can use the chart while practicing this in your own. Okay, so once this is complete and you see already an action, okay, any signals that it ends up, this is the time to buy. So my suggestion guys, if you have other indicator, if you are already completed the 1.272 or 1.68, you can use other indicator to help you to check if it is now valid to have an entry on this side. So normally what I'm doing is I'm using other strategy to identify that now this is the reversal, this is a complete hype. Normally if harmonic pattern is completed, definitely this is now time to entry for long position. So ayan guys, no, pwede niyong haluan yan ng other strategy just to make sure na aangat ang presyo. We have to make sure that the price is going up so you can use other signals. Now, this is the question of other traders, newbie. What will be my target point? So normally the target point here guys, it depends on the traders on how they are conservative or high risk. Okay? You can do actually an early profit from the point B itself. Okay, this is normally the take profit one of other. We'll just change the setting here from white or okay, better white. Okay, and we will remove now my Fibonacci. Okay, so this is the target. So this is our TP1, target 1. And some have a target on C, target 2. Okay, and the others have, this is high risk, the A. And others are using the measurement of this one. So they will do like 1.68. And also you can use the Fibonacci for your exit. Okay, you can use also your Fibonacci for your exit. We'll remove this again for our target. Okay, so you can use, if you want 50%, on the 50%, you can just take your profit. If you want 0.80%, you can take your profit. It's up to you. But as you remember, normally in my Fibonacci, the colored one are my golden ratio, or this is my normal TP or exit, whatever I'm using. Okay, from 0.5 to 0.886. So this is normally my target profit. So my target one will be normally the green one. This is like a stoplight. Okay, green, yellow, and red. Okay, so that is my target profit personally. So now guys, this is just a sample of our chart. I will give you and share the link of this one So this will be your guide. For example, looking if in the early stage, if what pattern this price action and price movement are doing as of now. So we have bat or shark pattern, which have a 50% in Fibonacci, butterfly 0.86. And how to read this? This is just a simple one. As you can see, 0.382618. And this one, this is a similar for that. So this will be your guide until which Fibonacci or the target, which Fibonacci measurement that you will use. So 1.68. As you can see here, measuring from this one, 2.618 to 3618. So this is 0.2 C to D. Okay, so now we will now just a simple presentation, actual presentation of looking for that. So whenever you see a letter M, similar for this, okay? So this is one of the pattern here, okay? Probably a shark, okay? So as you can see here, what will I do is, I'll just remove this one. Okay. Now, so my point X will be where? From this one, the lowest from the letter M that I'm seeing. Okay? So my point A will be here. Now, I have to check if this is valid. If this is valid, I will use my Fibonacci. Okay, so this is between a little excess in 0.618, and definitely it is a harmonic pattern early stage already if you are on this side. So what will I do now is check this one to this one. Okay. So from which point I will use? From this point to this point. Okay, so this is where is the retracement of point A and B. So this is A and B. This is 0.786. So I will just look on the chart. Okay, so this is between 3.82 and 886. And this is the possible one, as you can see, or the cipher one. Okay, but as you can see, 0.886. This is between this is 1.03. Sorry, this is 1.03, as you can see here. Okay. So this is a possible harmonic pattern now. So now, if it is valid and you check, you have to measure now the D. Okay. And look what happened. It goes to 1.272. As I said, normally it will go on this scenario. So for the beginners, you can just look for the chart. See, 1.272, okay, 1.68 or 224. So normally this is our target of C to D, 1.618 to 2618. Okay, so the measurement will be from which side again, guys? From here, okay, to here. You will use this point and this point. This is point B and point C, so you can determine the point D. Okay, so that is just a sample of that. And we have last sample in SLP. I'll give you in 15 minutes. By the way, that is 1 hour of BTC sample. Okay, I have one in SLP. This one, actually, there are 2 examples that I've seen. Okay, so as we'll make this one. Okay, now see, from here to here, is it valid? Yes, it is near to 618 or 0.5. So possible harmonic pattern. Now, is this valid from here to here, from this point? That is normally what I'm doing. If this valid, this 2 point, Okay, how to measure it again? You can measure it through our FIB. Yes, it is in 0.618. Okay, so normally it should be in between 382 to 886. Okay, generally we are on a general harmonic pattern. So you have to look for the chart. So which pattern now it's making or forming. Okay, so now the target now, or the D, if you want to have a short position for the point D, okay, will be what now? From this point so on, we'll remove now this FIB. From this point, okay, to this point. Okay, so see, it goes to between 1.618. We'll make it bigger. 1.618. Again, how I did measure this? Point C, and this is our point D. Okay, so this is my Fibonacci. So it goes to 1.68, between 1.68 to 2.24. Okay? So guys, naintindihan, I hope naintindihan nyo, ano? So kailangan lang makakita kayo ng pa-form na siya ng harmonic pattern. Meron kayong nakikitang valid na point X, point A, then point C, point D. So as I mentioned kanina, kailangan ma-determine nyo lang yung mga point kung valid o hindi. Okay? May mention tayo kanina dito sa ating harmonic pattern. Okay? Kung magiging valid or hindi. I hope guys, ito dito tayo sa mention natin kanina na example. Okay, I hope guys may natutunan kayo. I hope this harmonic pattern and my video help you to determine in early stage the harmonic pattern. The measurement, you can use our chart for all the measurement and how to use the Fibonacci. Okay, so don't forget, harmonic pattern should have a valid way A, B, C, and D. Okay, but in early stage A, B, and then C, and definitely you can now go for a short position from if you already determine the point C. Okay, and bullish now for a long one, or you can wait until the D, point D, wave D is finished, C to D. Okay, so I hope guys, this is clear to you. And if you have any question, you can just comment on my description. And the link of this chart, I will send to you in my description. This is posted in my Twitter account. So I hope you also follow me in my Twitter, because my Twitter is normally I'm using for my technical analysis. I hope you enjoy, guys, my simple presentation of harmonic pattern. Thank you for watching here at Earn Money at Home Worldwide.